Good morning to all. I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. My topic is reservation. Importance of reservation in hotel. It is also maintained record of the hotel occupancy, which helps in planning the sales and marketing strategy. It is the importance of reservation. Now we will discuss on the reservation for the importance of reservation for guest. For guest, one should first point is ensure room on arrival. A guest who make prior a reservation in assured of the required type of room and number of rooms for his entire stay in the city. This save him from the difficulty of finding accommodation on arrival. Number 2, budgeting. As the guest is informed about the tariff of room reserved at the time of booking, he is or she is also able to budget his holiday or tour. Other facility. The guest is ensured of certain facilities offered by the hotel which can be confirmed by making the reservation. For example, laundry service, Wi-Fi service, tea and coffee makers, iron board, etc. Importance for the hotel. Reservation is important for the hotel. Give the first impression of the hotel to the guest. Number 2, sell the main product of the hotel. Number 3, generate customer for the other department. Number 4, provide important management information to the guest. Number 5, reservation department update the room availability records and thus maximize the revenue generated from the room booking. Reservation department prepare the housekeeping and front desk for arrival by communicating the arrival details taken at the time of reservation. Reservation department helps in planning the distribution of the staff at the front desk. The roster for the staff can be prepared according to the number of confirmed reservation for the day. Reservation department provide reservation data to the finance department which forecast the volume of the business on the basis of the confirmed reservation. It maintains the hotel occupancy record, which helps the management to plan business strategy, change in the room rates, renovation of the room, expansion program, and opening a new unit in the city. These are the importance of the reservation for the hotel. System of reservation: manual system, semi-automated system, and fully automated system. Now we first discuss on the manual or non-automated system of reservation. In a manual system, all the reservation records are maintained manually. This old system is reservation is suitable for a small property where the number of rooms is less and the volume of reservation requests is also low. Number 2, diary system of reservation. It is used in the manual reservation system. Each page of this diary represent one day, hence it has 365 or 366 days pages for a year. Cardex system of reservation. It is also related to the manual reservation system. This system is still used in some of the small and medium hotels. The basic concept of this is like the library Cardex system. The system consists of a rack which consists of 12 drawers, and each drawer has 31 Cardex sheet which can be arranged overlapping each other with a transparent plastic sheet separating the each. This is the image of the Cardex system rack. Semi-automated reservation Whitney system. It is very well known system in the front office. Produced by the Whitney Duplicating and Check Company of New York, from which it took its name. Whitney reservation rack are arranged on the wall in the reservation room. Generally 31 rack are used for each current month. Each Whitney rack is for a particular date. For the next 11 months, 11 racks are used for one rack in use for the following year. Image of the Whitney rack. Color code. To indicate and identify the status as a glance, hotel may use their own different color Shannon. For example, white slip for the FIT, blue slip for the travel agent booking, pink for airline booking, and yellow for group booking, and so on. These are the color code of the Whitney systems we had already used in the old time. Automated system of reservation. Automated reservation systems are the computerized reservation system, the information stored in the automatic system. The reservation assistant can check the availability of room by clicking on a link on the computer. In this system, the reservation information is keyed into the electronic format of the reservation form, and this information is transferred to the central server where the room status is updated automatically. It also generates the reports like occupancy record, forecast list, and expected arrival, expected departure, etc. CRS and GDS are the example of the automated system, and these systems are we had already discussed in the last class. Point to be considered while accepting a reservation request. We have some points keep in mind while you are taking any reservation in the hotel. Write name clearly, surname in block letter. Always get the last name and the first name correctly with spellings. Number 2, ask for exact date and time of the arrival and departure. Number 3, avoid taking reservation for any identified date. Number 4, for the time of arrival, apply the European system of 24 hours. Number 5, clarify the types of meal planned to the guest. Number 6, if the arrival is given after midnight, make sure the reservation is recorded for the next day. Number 7, always specify the type of the rooms and number of room is required. Thank you.